Some people argue that you can only use the Hebrew version of Jesus' name, and only their version of it. I've seen Yeshua, I've seen Yahshua, I've seen Yahoshua, I've seen Yahushua. Maybe add a little Yahahoshua. That kind of sounded like I was stepping on hot sand. Yahahoshua. P.S. I'm not making fun of Jesus' name. I'm making fun of people who add all these extra steps to saying it correctly. And it's silly to think that God doesn't hear you if you don't say some specific pronunciation of his name. In Acts 2, people from many nations heard the gospel in their own language. In Philippians, which was written in Greek, it says that every knee will bow and every tongue will confess that Jesus Christ is Lord to the glory of God the Father. I don't think Paul switched from Greek to Hebrew just to write Jesus' name.